How to sign up for Hulu with Disney Plus. The Disney Bundle offers a comprehensive entertainment package by combining Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus at a discounted rate. This allows subscribers to enjoy a wide range of content, including family-friendly movies, current TV shows, and live sports. 1. Choose the right bundle plan. The Disney Bundle provides several options to suit different preferences. Duo Basic includes Disney Plus with ads and Hulu with ads for $10.99 per month. Duo Premium offers Disney Plus, no ads, and Hulu no ads for $19.99 per month. Trio Basic combines Disney Plus with ads, Hulu with ads, and ESPN Plus with ads for $16.99 per month. Trio Premium features Disney Plus, no ads, Hulu, no ads, and ESPN Plus with ads for $26.99 per month. Select the plan that best fits your viewing habits and budget. 2. Visit the official sign-up page. Navigate to the Disney Bundle sign-up page to begin the registration process. 3. Create or log in to your account. If you're new to these services, you'll need to create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Existing users can log in with their current credentials. Enter payment information. Provide a valid payment method, such as a credit or debit card. While the bundle offers a discounted rate, it's important to note that there is no free trial available. 5. Access each service. After completing the sign-up process, you'll have access to Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. Each service requires separate apps or website access. Disney Plus. Stream new releases, classics, series, and originals from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic. Hulu. Enjoy current hits, comfort classics, award-winning originals, and movies. ESPN Plus. Stream live sports, thousands of live events, top leagues, and tournaments. ESPN Plus originals, and the complete 30 for 30 library. Download each app on your preferred devices or access them via their respective websites. By following these steps, you can enjoy a diverse range of entertainment options through the Disney Bundle, all at a cost-effective price.